Curious and knowing exactly when to start monetizing your website? By the end of this video, you will have the direct steps to take action on immediately to start monetizing your website, regardless of where you are in your journey. For all things monetization, blogging tips, growing your creative business, and helping you to do the very thing that you love unapologetically, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified as I put out a new video every single Monday. So exactly when should you start monetizing your website, now or later? I know for myself, when I started my blog, my website 2 years ago, I knew I wanted to monetize it, but I wasn't sure exactly how to go about doing so. So I just want to give you guys quick 3 steps here to help you simplify the process in starting to monetize your website, whether that be now or whether that be later, depending on where you are in your journey. Currently, it doesn't matter. These steps is going to apply to help you get more clarity and going ahead to proceed in monetizing. So the first thing that you want to do, in the first step, you want to decide what kind of content, what is the purpose of your content when it deals with monetizing. So do you have a strategic plan? Are you just writing to be writing, or doing videos to be doing videos? Whatever your website is based upon, what is the purpose of your content? Now, going back to me and my example, I had a blog, right? So I wanted to write blog posts, I wanted to educate, I wanted to inform my audience, but I also did want to monetize, right? But I knew I had to get some content out there. So that's for all the newbies. If you're kind of feeling pressure, new in the game, you do want to have some content flowing out, not necessarily saying you have to have 100 blog posts in a week, but you do want to get some content out there to leverage your website or your blog, just to have that standpoint of when people coming back to your website, they know what you're about, they can see what's going on. And they can see what you're trying to do, especially when you're brand new, you're trying to get established. So go ahead and decide what content that you want to offer. The second tip that I want to talk to you guys about is, what is the goal of your content? So after you establish your content, what is the goal? Of course, you want to monetize and make money, but what is the ultimate goal? Do you want your content to lead into, of course, do you want your content to lead into a Facebook group? Do you want your content to lead into a service that you may offer? So go ahead and discover your goal after you establish your content. That will be step number 2. Go ahead and comment below if you have a goal for your content. Do you know exactly why you're putting content out? Do you know exactly what your website is going to be about? Because we have to have the website. The website is always your little home on the internet. So do you have a goal for your overall content and website? Comment below. So the last step that I want to talk about is the main point of this video, now or later. So when should you start monetizing your website, now or later? So I would say that goes back to your goal, but in the beginning, you really want to just start monetizing as soon as possible. So you don't have to wait a year, you don't have to wait 90 days. Like, you could come fresh out the gate monetizing if that is what you're looking to do so, right? If you're looking to make money immediately, you want to find ways to do so. But like I said, if you're just looking to see like what route you may want to take, like where you're trying to go, what strategies or services or programs, whatever you want to offer at the moment, you may want to start with the content first and let that build and get some engagement, get some people looking into your information, let your audience give a little stab at it, let your audience let you know what they interested in. So that can definitely be based upon what you're trying to do. So if you're trying to jump out and go full force, you can. If you just want to take it bit by bit and wait a little bit, and like I said, let your audience tell you, or you try to really discover yourself and the purpose of your overall website, you could definitely do that as well. So it's really no wrong or right way, guys, when to start monetizing your website, now or later. Some people say later, some people say now, some people say wait. So it's really up to you and your ultimate goal, as I stated for step number 2. what is the goal you're trying to proceed, what is the goal you're trying to establish here with your website overall, and not just for now or later, guys, but for long term. Are you having a real thought out plan, like for your business or your brand? Like, is this something that you can see yourself doing in the long run? And longevity definitely is the way to go, not just some quick overnight quick bucks, but then again goes back to your goal. So you could definitely monetize it now or later. So yes, guys, so we're right in the back. Step one, you want to establish that content, what kind of content you want to offer on your website. Step two, you want to go ahead and get a goal set and plan for your overall content and website, what kind of goal that you want to have. And step three is just deciding now or later. Should I go ahead and monetize now? I'm cool with going it right now, or should I just wait? So it's really up to you. I hope you got value from today's video as always. And to leave you guys with this, if you're interested in monetizing that great idea, that great plan that you have in your head that you're just thinking about consistently, don't really know the strategies and then go about how doing so, take my monetizing matchmaker quiz. Link is below in the video description. Take the quiz, get your results, and let's get to work. It would give you so much clarity based on your interests, your passions, what you like to do, your talents, all of those wonderful things that you may have overlooked that you could definitely monetize. The monetizing matchmaker quiz would definitely give you much clarity on what you should be doing here in your online business or that great business model idea that you have planned. So go ahead and check out the quiz in the link description. And for more great videos of monetization, I'm going to link how to make money doing webinars and how to make money doing podcasts in the description below. I hope you guys got value. Once again, thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button as I post new videos every single Monday. Take care, guys, and I will see you next week.